Hello,
Hi,
what's your name?
I am Tom Watson.
How can I help you?
I need help with a car service.
I can do that for you.
Great.
Would you need anything else?
No, thank you. That is all I need at the moment.
Okay, thank you very much.
Hello, this is Tony, Tony's Music, and I'm going to start you off with Create Studio 3 version 3.2.3. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can add a character and a human to a background video to have them making a conversation between themselves. Right, now the key to it is by doing a green screen character of a person and using the 3D characters on here as well as the background on here. Right, so I'll get a background from here first because I've just started a new project up. So I just want a good picture. I know which one I'm after. It's the one looks like a garage or something like that. I just can't see it at the minute. I can't see it, it's gone again. Whenever I want some, I can never find it on here. It's funny that is. It's up there a bit, I missed it. That one I wanted, that's the one I want. I put that on, hopefully it'll come up in a minute. And I need to stretch it out to about 20 or 18, I think it was 18. I need it to go to, so we'll do that first. About there. Whoops, what's happened there? It's got a weird colour, hasn't it? Do you see that? Let's try it anyway. So that should be okay, hopefully. There should be okay. So 18. Oh, so I stopped at 9. That's fine, yeah. Okay, let's just take it back. I want to now add the character, which is going to be there, Tom. I'm going to bring him on. And I need him to be about the same length as well. So I'm going to take him all the way across. Like that. Go a bit further over. There he is, right. Now what I need to do is I need to rotate him that way. Need him to look like that kind of direction, if possible. There, like that. Do that, right. I might need to bring him up a bit, make him bigger, scale him up. So I'm going to be about here somewhere. I'm going to place myself, right, and I need to add my video, which I've done at a moment's notice, so it ain't 100%, it's a bit scrappy, but it'll do the job that I need for it. So I'm just going to put that on. As you can see, there I am. I've got black edges which I need to get off first rather than get the green screen off. I'm going to get the black bits off first. So colour removal, drag that on, click on the colour there and click on the black. Oh, that's gone wrong. That's not done right, has it? No, it hasn't. So undo that, and then click on this. That's better. Done it now, right? So that's pretty good. Now what I need to do now is, after I've done that, is click on the next one, which is the green screen, and remove the green screen. So I'm going to do that. I'll click on there, that's it. Now what I need to do is, because I'm on that, I need to go up here and click on the similarity and change that to 25, and that'll get rid of all that. Right, now I need to move my character over to somewhere around here. I'll need obviously to either move me down a little bit to look more reasonable size, and him to be in a different position to what he is, because he seems to be a bit too high for that. Need him to be a bit smaller. Lower down maybe. I'm going to move me first, so I'll move him down a little bit more. I'm looking down on him, ain't I? Yeah, I didn't want to do that, but I have done, so I didn't know I'd done that. There you go. Just shows you can't always be sure what you're doing every time. Just going to do that. There you go. That looks like he's looking at me a little bit. Maybe he might be a bit too far tilted. Try that. Right, now I've done that. What I'm going to do is go back over here, and I need to set my character with his words that he's going to say. Right, now I know what I'm going to say, so I need to sort this out. So I need him to say, let's go on to Google first. Hi. Then I'm going to click on the brackets, the square brackets, and put pause in capitals, then 1, then close bracket, then put I am Tom Watson. I'm Tom Watson. And then pause again. And then do that again. Right, hi, I am Tom Watson. Pause. I need help with... Oh, hang on. That's a bit too close, isn't it? I need help with a car service. Right, and then I'll put another pause in. One. I'm putting these pauses in because I need a gap just in case I need to adjust them, so I can cut them in those gaps. Right, and hi, I am Tom Watson. I need help with car service. And then I said, great. And then pause again. Remember, the pause has got to be in capitals whenever you do that. And then the last bit is no, thank you. That is all I need at the moment. Right, so I've done that. Okay, so it says, hi, I am Tom Watson. I need help with a car service. Great. No, thank you. That is all I need at the moment. Okay. So now we're going to generate the speech for that. Right. And play that and see how it sounds.
Hi, I am Tom Watson. I need help with a car service. Great. No, thank you. That is all I need at the moment.
Right. Now, if I put that on, so I import that. And then put that on there, like that. It should go on there. Right, so now that says hi. I need to move that way, and as you can see, this is what's going to happen. I'm going to play it from the beginning.
Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
I am Tom Watson.
How can I help
I need
you?
help with a car service. Great.
I can do
No
that.
thank
for
you.
That needs to
That
go
is
back
all
a
I
bit
need.
further. Right, so the last bits, these bits need to go further back. Right, so I need to cut from there. I might need to cut from there actually, move that back a bit from that end. Right, so I'll do that because that was a bit too, what's it? And I might just cut that there, click on here, cut that there, and then take that a bit further over, and then cut that there, and take that further, like that, and then that's it. I think somewhere like that. Now what we're going to do is go back to the beginning and play it again.
Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
I am Tom Watson.
How can I help you?
I need help with a car service.
I can do that for you.
Great.
Would you need anything else?
No thank you. That is all I need at the moment.
Okay, thank you very much. Try that.
I'm just going to cut the end for that.
Hi,
What's your
Wait a minute, so let's get to the end. That's a bit more than I wanted to put on there, so I need to just cut that end off there, about there, and there you go, that's it. So I'll go there, cut that bit there, cut, and there, cut, and then there, cut. Right, I'll cut that, delete, and delete. Right, so that's it. Now all we got is do go back to the beginning.
Hello.
hi,
What's your name?
I am Tom Watson.
How can I help you?
I need help with a car service.
I can do that for you.
Great.
Would you need anything else?
No thank you. That is all I need at the moment.
Okay, thank you very
Right.
much.
So now all I need to do is just sync with Tom. Sync with Tom on there as well, and it's just each one at a time. Sync with Tom, and then sync with Tom there. And I think that's the last one, isn't it? Yeah, or is it? I haven't done this one. Sync with Tom. Sync with Tom just to make sure. If we see now, Tom should be talking. If you can see him talking from that position, I don't know whether you'll be able to, but we'll see.
Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
I am Tom Watson.
How can I
Now
help
you can
you?
see
I need help with a car service.
I can do that for you.
Great.
what I can do is I can
Would you need
change
anything
Tom.
else?
No thank you. That is all I need at the moment.
Okay, thank you
Right.
very much.
What I'm going to do is just change the character. If I can change the character to customize his face, facial hair. Change his facial hair to none. That's it. Right, so do that, and then just go back to the beginning. Now you'll be able to see him talking.
Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
I am Tom Watson.
How can I help you?
I need help with a car service.
I can do that for you.
Great.
Would you need anything else?
No thank you. That is all I need at the moment.
Okay, thank you very much.
And that's how you do it. So that just shows you can have two people talking. To do the green screen, I just recorded using my camcorder, which is I've got a Canon camcorder, and I used Movavi Video Suite to clean it up a bit and cut it to the size I needed, and added a green screen to it so that I could take it off in Create Studio. And that's how you do that. Okay, thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video anyway. Please, if you did, please like and subscribe to Tony's Music and give me a comment on the video comments area, and I'll be appreciating that. So thank you very much anyway. Have a good day as well. Thank you.